How to set up a boot or start logo on car Android player.
Welcome to Tenacity.
Turn off the engine. After a few minutes later, turn on the engine. No boot or start logo display. Let's set up. Select the car setting. Select Factory Settings. Enter password 8888. Select Engineering Test Debugging. Enter password 269-59910. Select Direct Shutdown Mode. Save the settings. Turn off the engine. After a few minutes later, turn on the engine. Now the boot logo and car start logo come out on the screen. Thanks for watching.